Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Top 5 Cancer Fighting Juice Recipes. Did you know juices can help in cure cancer? If not, then go through these top 5 juice recipes that can certainly help you to combat cancer. Number 1. Cucumber, carrots, kale juice. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 8 carrots, 4 kale leaves. I love this juice because it's so simple. After washing all of the produce and cutting off the tops of the carrots, I simply throw it in the juicer and it's done. Cucumber adds the majority of the liquid, and both carrots and kale have mega anti-cancer properties. If you want a sweeter juice, you can add a half of an apple, or to mask some of the flavor, squeeze half of a lemon into the juice by hand. Number 2. Cucumber, ginger, beet juice. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 medium-sized beet, 1/4 piece ginger. The beet will add a tad of sweetness to this juice. Beets have beautiful cleansing properties as they help detoxify the liver. Ginger has strong anti-cancer properties, and the cucumber adds volume and is extremely alkaline. Number 3. Carrot, cabbage, pineapple juice. Ingredients: 6 to 10 carrots, 1/4 purple cabbage, pineapple core. Carrot dominates this juice, but the slight tropical flavor from the pineapple core, which has anti-cancer and enzymatic properties for digestion, makes it one of my favorites. I use the rest of the pineapple for my kids' lunches. Cabbage, being in the cruciferous vegetable family, has excellent cancer-fighting properties. If you are feeling a little reserved about adding cabbage, make this juice without it the first time and then add a little bit at a time for subsequent juices. Number 4. Apple, carrot, broccoli, beet. Ingredients: 1 green apple, 4 to 6 carrots, 1 broccoli stalk, 1 medium beet. This juice is slightly sweeter. Green apple has less sugar than red apples, but still helps mask the broccoli flavor. Beets, once again, are incredibly anti-cancer and cleansing. And of course, the broccoli with the cancer-fighting quercetin and sulforaphane is worth the unique flavor. Squeezing the juice of half of a lemon by hand is a nice touch to help mask the broccoli flavor. Number 5. Apple, celery, carrot, baby bok choy. Ingredients: 1 green apple, 6 to 8 carrots, 1 bunch baby bok choy. Another slightly sweeter juice due to the green apple. The celery adds additional antioxidant phytonutrients along with already awesome carrots and cancer-fighting and cruciferous bok choy. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.